What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the world of smart cycling upgrades with our picks for the top 5 best bicycle bell you can choose for safer and smoother rides. This is cool product and we've ranked the best options to help you decide fast. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the X-Tiger Bicycle Bell. The X-Tiger Bicycle Bell alerts others around you with a crisp and pleasant ringtone that sounds clear and friendly without being harsh. This stylish trophy design from X-Tiger adds a nice touch to your handlebars while doing its job effectively, making your presence known safely whether you are riding on busy paths or quiet trails. The brass bell cover gives it a premium look and feel that stands up well over time, paired with a nylon body and stainless steel screw for solid durability and reliability. These quality materials ensure the bell stays strong and keeps delivering that satisfying sound even after plenty of rides in different conditions. One of the best things about the X-Tiger Bicycle Bell is its daily waterproofing that keeps it working perfectly even when rain starts falling. You do not have to worry about moisture affecting the sound or mechanism, which means consistent performance in all weather and extra safety when visibility is lower or roads get slippery. It fits a wide range of handlebars thanks to its proper diameter design that works with sizes from 22 mm to 31.8 mm. This universal compatibility makes it easy to install on almost any bike without needing extra adapters or adjustments. Installation could not be simpler or quicker. You can get the bell securely mounted in just a minute or two with no special tools required, saving you time and effort so you can get back to enjoying your ride faster. The mounting system holds everything firmly in place even over bumps and rough surfaces. The thoughtful trophy-style design not only looks great, but also produces a tone that feels polished and effective at grabbing attention politely. Whether you are commuting in the city, riding with friends, or navigating crowded park paths, the X-Tiger Bicycle Bell gives you a reliable way to communicate with others around you. Its compact size keeps your cockpit clean and uncluttered, while the sturdy construction from brass, nylon, and stainless steel ensures long-lasting performance. Everything about this bell feels well-made and practical for real cycling days. Overall, the X-Tiger Bicycle Bell combines a pleasant, crisp ringtone, durable materials, easy waterproofing, versatile fit, and quick installation into one smart and attractive package. It is a small addition that makes a big difference in how confidently and safely you ride. Next up, at number 4, we have the Eslnf Bicycle Bell. The Eslnf Bicycle Bell grabs attention instantly with its extremely loud sound that helps you stay safe and confident on every ride. This horn delivers a powerful alert that cuts through traffic noise, wind, and busy conversations, making sure pedestrians, other cyclists, and drivers hear you clearly from a good distance away. What makes the Eslnf Bicycle Bell stand out is how well it works across so many different bikes. It fits perfectly on balance bikes, folding bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, and everyday commuters, giving you a reliable way to signal without yelling or making sudden moves. The strong, clear horn tone feels more like a proper warning than a gentle ding, which is exactly what you need in crowded city streets or on shared paths where quick communication can prevent close calls. The design is compact and lightweight, so it adds almost no extra weight or bulk to your handlebars while still producing that impressive volume every single time. You can activate it with a simple, quick press or twist, which keeps your hands on the bars and your focus on the road ahead. The Eslnf Bicycle Bell is built tough to handle daily vibrations, bumps, and all kinds of weather, staying securely attached and ready whenever you need it most. Riders really appreciate how this bell balances loud performance with easy everyday use. It gives you that extra sense of control in situations where being heard matters most, like navigating busy intersections, passing groups of walkers, or riding with kids on balance bikes. The consistent, strong sound helps create smoother interactions with everyone around you, turning potential surprises into safe and polite passes. The Eslnf Bicycle Bell brings practical safety and peace of mind to your cycling adventures. Its durable construction and powerful output make it a smart addition that works reliably ride after ride. Whether you are squeezing through tight spots in the city or enjoying family rides on the trail, this loud horn helps you communicate clearly and enjoy your time on two wheels with greater confidence and fewer worries. The simple yet effective design shows real thought for what cyclists actually need out on the road. Taking the third spot is the West Biking Bicycle Bell. The West Biking Bicycle Bell delivers a clear and pleasant sound that helps you safely alert others on busy paths or trails. This mini copper bell from West Biking combines practical performance with a charming retro look that enhances the overall style of your bike. Crafted from durable copper, the bell resists wear and tear really well, so it stays reliable and sounds great even after months of regular use in different riding conditions. The solid material gives it a premium feel and ensures long-lasting performance without fading or breaking down over time. One of the most convenient aspects is its universal compatibility. It fits easily on handlebars ranging from 19 to 31.8 millimeters, which means you can install it on a wide variety of bikes without any hassle or extra parts. Whether you ride a mountain bike, road bike, or commuter, this bell adapts perfectly to your setup. The lightweight design keeps things comfortable and balanced on your handlebars. Since it is a mini size, it adds almost no noticeable weight, making it ideal for MTB and road bikes where every gram matters during long rides or fast sections. You barely notice it is there until you need to use it. The retro-style thumb bell brings a touch of vintage charm that looks fantastic on both modern and classic bikes. It adds personality and aesthetic appeal without feeling out of place, turning a simple safety feature into something that actually improves the look of your ride. The thumb activation is quick and intuitive, so you can ring it naturally with one hand while keeping full control of your bike. Installation is straightforward and secure, so the bell stays firmly in position even over bumpy roads or during energetic rides. The copper construction not only looks attractive with its warm tone, but also holds up well against daily exposure to weather and handling. Everything about the West Biking Bicycle Bell feels thoughtfully made, from the durable copper body to the smooth action and classic design. It strikes a nice balance between being highly functional for safety and adding that stylish vintage element that makes your bike feel more personal and complete. Overall, the West Biking Bicycle Bell offers reliable sound, easy fit, lightweight construction, and eye-catching retro style in one compact package. It is a small upgrade that brings both practical benefits and extra charm to every ride you take. Coming in at number 2 is the Rockbros Bicycle Bell. The Rockbros Bicycle Bell delivers a clear, high-decibel ring that helps you communicate safely and confidently on every ride. This mini copper bell produces a crisp, attention-grabbing tone that cuts through traffic noise and wind, making sure pedestrians, drivers, and other cyclists hear you clearly without any confusion. One of the things you will notice right away is how compact and convenient the Rockbros Bicycle Bell feels. At just 39 grams, it adds almost zero weight to your handlebars, while remaining easy to reach and use during fast descents or busy city stretches. The lightweight design keeps your bike nimble and comfortable, so you barely notice it is there until you need that clear alert. The spring dial mechanism makes ringing the bell effortless and comfortable to operate. It feels smooth and natural in your hand, reducing the effort needed to sound the horn so you can keep a solid grip on the bars and stay focused on the road ahead. On top of that, the anti-slip finger dial enhances performance when you press it, even with sweaty hands or during bumpy sections, giving you reliable control and safer cycling in all conditions. Rockbros designed this bell with real riders in mind. The mini copper construction creates a pleasant yet powerful ringtone that sounds premium and travels well, helping you politely signal when passing others or navigating tight spots. The non-slip surface on the dial provides a secure, comfortable hold that inspires confidence every time you reach for it. Whether you are commuting through crowded streets, riding with family, or exploring new routes, the Rockbros Bicycle Bell combines thoughtful details like the effort-saving spring dial, anti-slip design, and high-quality copper bell into one simple, effective package. Its compact size, lightweight build, and loud, clear sound make it a practical upgrade that enhances your safety and enjoyment on the bike without any unnecessary bulk or complexity. The durable construction holds up beautifully to daily use and keeps delivering that reliable performance ride after ride. And finally, our top pick, the ThinkRider Bicycle Bell. The ThinkRider bicycle bell grabs attention instantly with its clear and loud ringtone that cuts through wind and traffic noise, helping you safely warn pedestrians and other riders without shouting. This stylish bell from ThinkRider adds a smart safety layer while looking great on your bike. What makes it stand out is the invisible design that keeps the bell discreet and hidden from view. It blends neatly with your handlebars so it does not clutter your cockpit or ruin the clean look of your setup. Yet when you need it, the loud sound is right there and ready to go. This hidden approach makes it perfect for riders who want safety without extra visible accessories. As a fashionable MTB bike accessory, the ThinkRider bicycle bell brings a modern and clean style that fits nicely with sporty builds. It adds just the right touch of personality without feeling bulky or out of place on mountain bikes or other aggressive setups. Installation could not be easier or quicker. The quick fit system lets you attach it securely to your handlebars in seconds with no tools needed. It holds firmly even over rough trails and bumpy sections, so you never have to worry about it loosening during your ride. The safety feature shines through in everyday situations. Whether you are navigating crowded city paths, overtaking on group rides, or approaching blind corners on the trail, the strong, clear ring gives a polite but effective warning that helps prevent close calls and keeps everyone around you more aware. The compact and lightweight build ensures it does not add noticeable weight or affect your bike's handling. Everything about the ThinkRider bicycle bell feels well thought out, from the powerful sound output to the discreet mounting and durable construction that handles daily use and changing weather without issues. Overall, the ThinkRider bicycle bell combines a loud, reliable ringtone, stylish, invisible design, quick installation, and real safety benefits into one smart and attractive package. It is a small but effective upgrade that makes every ride feel a little safer and more enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your ride? Check the price link in the description and make sure you pick the perfect one for your bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top picks and honest reviews.